Hey, thanks for clicking on my Kartra review and demo video. And in this video, we're going to be building a landing page in Kartra and taking you from start to finish so you see how that process works. Make sure to stick around towards the end of the video though, because I'm also going to show you how to get a free 30-day trial of Kartra instead of the typical 14-day trial. So let's go ahead and get started now. So we've opened up Kartra here, and on the left you can see some of the different things Kartra can do. So you've got different campaigns, you've got calendars, this is where you upload your videos. Anyways, you're going to click right here on My Pages, and then we're going to come down to the right and add a page. All right, so one thing I like about Kartra is you can start from scratch, but I like a lot of their templates. They're very clean, and I just like the way they look. They're very easy to navigate and to change around. So let's just go ahead and use one of the templates, and let's say we're going to do a video sales page. That's the type of landing page we're going to have people hit. So let's preview this one, see what this one looks like. Okay, so this one is a little bit of a longer page, so that's cool. Let's go ahead and use that one. All right, I'm going to hit select and launch builder. Now I'm going to name this page test, and I'm going to select a category, and then I'm going to select a site, no site in particular. Now this is something interesting. Kartra forces you to do these couple things, categorize things and associate them. And originally I was a little annoyed by that, but once I actually realized why, it makes a lot of sense. They just make sure that you don't accidentally miss something that's important, and then you're trying to comb through Kartra and figure out why something's not working. So something I actually do like now that I've gotten used to it. We'll hit create. All right, and here we are. So I try to go from top down when I'm building a landing page. That way I don't miss anything. So starting off, you can put a logo in here or you can keep your logo out. But let's just go ahead and stick one in here and hit edit style. And then image selected, we'll hit edit, and we can pick an image. So let's say I just want to grab this one here and hit confirm and then apply. Okay, so business to growth. Now obviously this is not how I leave everything, but I just want to give you a demo and go from there. So if the logo is too big or too little, you can just click on this button right here and resize it. All right, so next up, let's change the words. So we can hit edit text. That'll let you kind of highlight this and change it to whatever you want. And let's say how to potty train your puppy in 1 hour. There you go. And obviously, just like any program, you can make this bold or underline it or whatever you want to do. You can make the size bigger. Next up, you want to add a video. And let's just pretend that this video was of you showing people some tips on how to potty train their puppy. You can either get your video from YouTube, you can get it from Kartra, Wistia, wherever. I keep a lot of my videos uploaded into Kartra, so I'm just going to pick a video out of here. And let's just say this video right here, and then you'll see it shows that, and then you can hit apply. So you've got your logo, your copy, your video, you've got some more text over here, and you got your button. So let's say you want to hover over here and change this text and make it say, seriously, you can stop your puppy from peeing everywhere. Really? Okay, so you've got that. Now let's say you want to edit your button. You're going to hit edit style. You can come over here and change the text. Yes, I want my puppy potty trained. And then hit apply. So you got that. You can go to the style, you can change the color. Let's say you want your button red, you can apply that. So it's similar to some different other programs where you're just changing these different things. Obviously, you put your link in here that can go to another Kartra page or an external URL. Lots of different things you can do regarding that. Okay, so let's say you wanted to take this button and you wanted to duplicate it. You just hit clone and then hover over here, and then you can grab the button and put it wherever you want it. So let's say you want to stick one right there. That's one thing I really like about Kartra is everything is really drag and drop. So let's say maybe you want the button. You can see how this orange turns green. Put your button right there and switch it up. Once this button is here, you can change it to more of a large button. And you'll see it shrink, a full-size button. Apply that. All right, so close that. So if we want to come over here, we can click on this and edit the style and change the image. So let's say we want to use this image. We'll put that in there and hit apply. So there is John Kowalski. Obviously the same thing here. You're just changing your text. It's pretty self-explanatory. At this point, I think you're probably getting the flow and how all of this works. Now they do have some options like adding sections. If you wanted to add some different content, you can do that. So you could add, this whole section here. If you liked this section, you can add that. Drag this over here into the right spot. And there you go. And now you just go through and click on things and change them around. So let me close that. You can also click over here on components, and you can add just text or another button, images, video, icons. Let's say you wanted to add an icon. So you clicked this one and you put it right here. Okay, and then we want to click on this icon and change that. We could pick something different. So maybe we wanted to pick a download box. So we hit apply, and now we've got a download deal. Obviously, if you want to connect a link to that, you can make that, whenever they click it, they can go to any of these things. So let's close that and scroll down a bit. One other thing I would just say is double check your pop-ups here, because you can have a landing page pop-up like right when they get there, or an exit pop-up. And let's say you want to do an exit pop-up, it will give you all of these options here to use. And that way when they're about to leave, it'll pop up and you can suggest something to them. There's one in here that I like. I like how they'll say, wait, you forgot blah, blah, blah. Or, make sure you get this thing. So they've got some pretty good suggestions. But again, don't forget your pop-ups. Again, you can come over here and change this button and make it say whatever you want. Change the color, change the size, change the copy. One thing I'd say is make sure that your privacy policy and terms of use are there. You hit edit style, and you can make this link over to another Kartra page. So you can keep your terms of use or terms of service page, just save that in Kartra, and you can just link over to that page. So that's a pretty cool thing too. That's pretty much it. I'm not going to fill obviously all of this out, but I wanted to give you a good overview so you can see how the process works. But you can see that everything is pretty much limitless here. And then one other thing I would say though is make sure that you double check mobile when you're done, because you might see that some things don't look as good in the mobile version. So let's say this button was too chunky for you. You can come over here and change it to medium and apply, and it'll shrink that down. And same thing for all of this. You can go through and change all of this too. All right, so overall, I'd say that I do recommend Kartra. I switched from a different platform by the name of Kajabi, and the landing pages were really clunky. So if you're looking to build landing pages, you're definitely going to like them here in Kartra. Again, there are a ton of different ones to choose from template-wise, so you're really not going to be at a loss when you need a landing page to put together quickly. All right, so I mentioned before that you can get 30 days of Kartra instead of 14. And what you need to do is click on the link that just popped up right here. You're going to either type that link out, or you can see this link in the comment section or the description of the video. But click on that, and it's going to take you to the Kartra landing page, kind of opt-in page. You're going to need to click on plans and pricing, and that's going to open up a new page. And all you're going to do, you're going to see right here, here's the different pricing and plans and whatnot. You're going to scroll down just a little bit, scroll up and down, and then act like you're going to leave. When you act like you're going to leave, it gives you an option to double your trial. At this point, you're going to hit yes, double my trial, and at this point, you just got double the amount of time to try Kartra out for. So again, make sure you either type in this link down here or you click on it in the comment section or in the description. That will take you to the right page. Well, I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to check out at the end of this video, you'll see a couple of other Kartra related videos. Make sure to check those out and give those a watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.